So how can you copy a section from one page to another? Let's say I would like to copy this section from home page to about us page. So what we're gonna have to do is quite simple. Just right click on the section. Here you have copy, and then here you're gonna have to go to about us or where you want to copy. Then you're gonna click on paste, and it just copied that section. Now another thing that you can do is also just save a section. If you're using a lot of sections, if you're using a section multiple times, actually right click on that section and you save that section to your designs. Also with a button you can save to my designs. This one here I also have saved to my designs, and then here add elements, you're gonna see my designs, already saved one, so you're gonna see I actually have this here. Now for section, you're gonna see when you save section, you're gonna see it here in save sections. Then you're gonna be able to just grab it from here. Very helpful. But yeah, you can also right click, copy multiple, and then go to where you want to save it and click on paste. And as you can see, actually copied what we selected. So I hope you found this short video helpful. If you have more questions, let me know in the comment section. Subscribe for more if you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.